And now, meteorologist Marty with Southern Colorado's most accurate forecast.
The clouds are racing across the landscape, and the wind is still humming out on the eastern plains. I mean, we have north of 25 right now at Eads, and the clouds are just rip-roaring from right to left across your screen. We even had a few showers out there near the Kansas state line. Along the Front Range, there are no clouds. The wind has been strong, though at times now, right near the mountains, it's starting to subside a little bit. Currently just 6 miles an hour at Freedom Financial Services. Farther east, it's been stronger than that. And we're a little breezy in Pueblo West, up around 10 at last check. We've had a few gusts to near 20. It is currently 67 degrees. Sun's nice. If you're out of the wind, it feels okay, but we'll have it off and on the rest of the day. Skyscan shows the clouds on the plains gradually decreasing tonight. And really, for most of the area, it should be a rather quiet night. The wind will gradually subside. The air overhead is cool and it's dry. And so when you wake up tomorrow morning, you're going to notice it's a bit crisp again. Lows will be in the low to mid 40s across most of eastern Colorado. We shouldn't have as many 30s as we had this morning, but we do think up across the higher terrain we'll likely still have some 30s when you wake up on Tuesday. Now, much warmer air is going to start to move into the area tomorrow, and I do think that as we head into the afternoon hours, not only will we be a bunch warmer, but we'll probably see some clouds developing over the mountains, and there could even be a few sprinkles up here. We do not expect any heavy rain anywhere tomorrow, by the way, if it develops at all. But certainly the noticeable difference in temperature is going to be out there. We'll be in the mid to upper 80s for much of eastern Colorado. Mountain areas will be in the 60s and 70s, and we should have a lot less wind to contend with tomorrow, too. So all things considered, tomorrow looks like a much nicer day for us. We will remain warm on Wednesday, highs back into the mid-80s. A little better chance for a late-day shower with thunderstorms at about a 20% coverage on Thursday. On Thursday, we'll also be a little cooler with highs back into the 70s, but we should jump up into the 80s again Friday and Saturday. You see a few lightning strikes here on Father's Day. We do not expect any widespread rain this week. And in fact, if we get some showers on Sunday, it wouldn't appear that they would show up until maybe evening or even Sunday night. So much of the weekend is going to be dry and really quite nice for any outdoor activities. Overnight lows will get back up into the 50s after tonight. Pueblo, mid-80s to lower 90s tomorrow into Wednesday. We'll have some clouds at times, but otherwise dry. Maybe a thunderstorm on Thursday. Weekend, as I mentioned, looks warm and probably dry with just some added cloud cover on Sunday. We will have breezy conditions at times. Overnight lows, again, after tonight, back up into the 50s, which is where we should be for this time of year. Canyon City looking for mid-80s tomorrow and Wednesday. Might have a late-day shower Wednesday, a little better chance for a thunderstorm Thursday. Then we'll go up around 90 again Friday with 80s for the most part this weekend, which looks pretty nice for any outdoor activities you may have planned. Mountain areas get a chance for a sprinkle tomorrow, a little better chance for a shower or perhaps a brief rumble of thunder on Wednesday. Scattered thunderstorms are more likely on Thursday, and that'll be a cooler day with highs in the 60s. But, you know, more days than not here, we're talking about temperatures around or into the 70s, overnight lows in the 40s. And being that it's mid-June, that's what we should be talking about as opposed to snow,
Yeah.
which happened yesterday in
Yeah.
parts of Teller County.
The only thing I'll say is that Pikes Peak looks pretty
It's beautiful.
now that it has more snow on it.
It'll look better when the wind stops blowing.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you want that to happen, too.
Yes, I do.
All right, thanks, Marty.
You're welcome.
Well, it is time now to check with our news partners at KRDO News Radio. Mike Lewis joins us now with a guest.
Thank you, Brittany. Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome back. He's been here many times. Ben Taylor. He is with Right at Home. Ben, welcome to KRDO.
My pleasure to be here. Thanks so much for having me, Mike.
We'll talk about your show that you have Sunday mornings at 8 o'clock on KRDO News Radio in a moment because it kind of ties into this topic.
It does. It does very much. It's called Senior Talk, presented by